welcome to the channel. On this channel, we're going to be sharing some of our favourite places in Cornwall and around our favourite town of St Ives. So if you're interested in visiting St Ives, or you want to know the best places to stay, the best bars and restaurants to visit, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, because we're going to start uploading a ton of videos sharing the best of this beautiful place in England. The harbour area and the beaches in St Ives are absolutely beautiful, and in my opinion, some of the best beaches in the entire UK. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you want to find out more about St Ives, check out my new blog, which is stivescornwall.co.uk, and I'll put a link in the description below.